Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 43, properties of triangles, section A, easy. Let's start. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now isosceles triangle means two things must click to us. Sides equal, two sides equal, and the base angles are equal. Now AB equals to AC given. AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude. Altitude means height. So ADB equals to here, AD is an altitude. Altitude means it's 90 degrees. So ADB will be definitely 90 degrees. Now the important question which is not asked in this question is BD equals to. This is what is important because it's not printed over here. But what is BD? Here, the altitude of any isosceles triangle between two equal sides. See, these are the two equal sides. The altitude between these two sides is always bisects the third side. So BD will be equals to DC over here. Although not asked, but then also I have given the additional because this is very much important. In the given figure, find angle LNM. LNM. See here, it's a triangle and the rays extended NK and MO. These are the rays. I have not drawn the arrows, and this is 110 degrees. Okay, what we have to find LNM. Simple. Exterior angle property. What is the exterior angle property? See, this is the exterior angle theorem. The angle D means exterior angle will always be equal to sum of the remote interior angles, that is A and B. Okay, so D equals to A plus B. So here 110 equals to 50 plus LNM, right? Angle LNM. So we have to find that only. Take 50 on this side, it becomes 60. Angle LNM equals to 60. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle. See here, ABCD is a rectangle, not square. So opposite sides equal and all angles 90 degrees. Okay, diagonals equal. Okay, so triangle CEF is equilateral. CEF, this is equilateral, this triangle. Okay, find X. This we have to find out. In a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. So AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. Okay. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.